In which Indian state did the country's first hydrogen-powered train start its operation? The answer is Haryana. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the National Commission for Minorities? The answer is Harjit Singh Grewal. In which region of India were the country's first and deepest geothermal wells commissioned? The answer is Ladakh. The Supreme Court of India granted final clearance for the Night Safari and Day Zoo project in which city? The answer is Lucknow. Which Indian private aerospace company achieved a historical orbital rocket launch recently? The answer is SkyRoot Aerospace. How many countries signed the agreement in Shanghai to establish the World Artificial Intelligence Cooperation Organization? The answer is 29.